Have you ever been looking at wholesale products and you're not sure which one to buy because there's a whole bunch of variations and you want to make sure you buy the right one and not waste your money? Well, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how you can do that for free quickly right now. Let's go. What's up, everybody? Todd Welch here from the Entrepreneur Adventure, and I just wanted to share a quick tip with you for those of you out there who are searching for wholesale products. You know, it's difficult to find good products out there for wholesale. And one thing that you might run into sometimes is you are getting a list from a wholesale provider and you find their product, the product looks good, you click over to it, and it's a variation listing. So maybe the variation has 5 different colors or 5 different sizes or something like that. How do you know which one is getting the most sales? Well, one way you could do it is you could click into the reviews, and the reviews tell you which product the review is for. So you could go through everyone individually, find which one has the most reviews, and most likely the review percentage is going to be similar to the sales percentage. So that's the hard way to do it, but the little bit easier free way is to use a website called reviewmeta.com. reviewmeta.com. And if you go to that website, you can copy and paste in a Amazon URL, and it pulls all of the review data and checks them to find if there are fake reviews in there, is what the site is for. But what I use it for, after you refresh the data, there's going to be a little button that allows you to refresh the data if it's already in their database. You can click on See Product Variations, and it will show you a breakdown of all the product variations based on how many reviews they received per product variation. So very quickly you can see which variation is getting the most reviews and thus most likely the most sales. Now sometimes when you're looking at them, it won't tell you exactly which product is the one with the most reviews. So what you have to do is hover your mouse over the image or the link, and it'll give you the ASIN there. So then you can go back to the product listing and find which ASIN that is that's getting the most reviews. And it works really good, really easily and quickly be able to narrow down out of product variations which one is the one that's getting the most sales. So you're not ordering the variation that looks awesome, the profit looks awesome, but it's not getting any sales, because there is cases where certain product variations, there's like one variation that's getting all the sales and the rest of them are getting just a few sales after that. So you really want to narrow it down, make sure you're ordering the proper one. So in addition, there's a Google Chrome plugin, reviewmeta.com Google Chrome plugin, which I will link down below for you. You can add that into Chrome, and then when you're on the Amazon.com product page, you just click that button in Google Chrome, and boom, it takes you over to reviewmeta.com for that product, shows you that product. You can quickly look and see which variation has the most sales or the most reviews, hence the most sales on the platform. So that is it for this video. Just nice, short, quick, and sweet. Subscribe down below. Click the little subscribe button and then click the bell next to it so you get notified of more awesome videos like this. This is Todd Welch with Entrepreneur Adventure signing off. Happy selling, everybody.